Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday. As you all already know, Melissa decided that she wants to turn up our way. So today is just a rest day, pretty much. The rain is falling. Good night, y'all. It's currently 8 o'clock. Saturday night. Today I basically just slept because what else was there to do? But I'm going to make some hot chocolate right now and watch a Christmas movie. If you know me, you know I'm a Christmas movie girl. Yeah. So I don't know what Melissa she depend. I don't know if she coming or she not coming. It's been raining though, as you all can see, but not much damage has been done. But I want to tell you all to be safe out there. Please be safe. Ensure that if you don't need to move out and move out, whatever you guys need to do, just get it done so you all can be safe. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm going to make some hot chocolate right now and watch a movie, and that will be it for my night. So yeah, have a good night, you all. So this is what I used to make the hot chocolate. So I'm now going to tear it, place it in a teacup, and then add my water. You can add milk if you choose to, but I don't choose to add any milk. I'm just going to drink it just as it is. So I'm going to pour this in the cup and then add my water and then mix it, and voila. Ooh, this is looking so good. Oh my god, I'm just going to mix it now, and then ooh, oh my god, look at the marshmallows, so good. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday and it's currently 10:15 to be exact. It's still pouring rain. Like Melissa, she decides that she finally walk home. So I just want to tell you guys to be safe, please. Once again, be safe. I just had a bath, and again, same as yesterday, today is just gonna be a day where I sleep. I watch the rain fall and breeze blow and chicken batty from the outer door. but guys, please be safe. Please take the necessary precautions and do what you all have to do to make sure our family is safe. Please, okay, take it from me. All right. Mwah. So guys, I went on the road earlier and I did a little supermarket run. So for all who are run down bread, crackers it is for me. So I chocolate and crackers all the way every day, because when I want to run down bread, I grab some banana chips and of course candles. Please stock up on the things I want to need for this time. Make sure so I don't have candles, I want to have flashlights and everything we need for have, because guys, yes, please be safe out here, okay? This pretty much just a little whatever, a little porridge thing. We can just boil water, make porridge and stuff like that. So all right, so for this bag now, I had to grab some mac and cheese, some cream crackers. Again, I don't know when I run down bread I go, cause I chocolate and cream crackers I got always be for the win. Some snacks, cream crackers, cheesies, club social, cup noodles, bagged noodles, ramen, and chocolate chip cookie, some tin food, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it for the supermarket run.